This is a picture of the visual light spectrum. These are all the colors you can see. It goes from, on the left, the warm colors red, all the way to the cool colors by the purple on the right. This project is going to be about working with warm and cool colors. The warm colors are red, orange, and yellow. And the cool colors are violet, blue, and green. Violet's just another name for purple. I'm going to start by making a line in the middle of my paper. Make it light. Don't worry about being perfect. Then I'm going to make 2 more lines. 2 more on the top of that line and 2 more on the bottom of that line. I'm going to label the top half of my paper with the warm colors red, orange, and yellow. I'm going to label the bottom half of my papers with the cool colors green, blue, and purple. So now, using my watercolors, I'm going to start making marks. I'm going to start at the top with red, and I'm just going to make little marks. I'm not going to paint in the whole thing. It's little pieces of light that's going to become the sky in our painting. Now this is going to be a sunset picture, and sunsets aren't just solid colors. So within this picture, I'm going to also make little marks, like I did with my red, of orange, just not as much, because that is the red section for the most part. Now I'm going to continue on to the orange section. Again, I'm just making little marks. I'm not painting it in smooth. That way it'll look like the light is bouncing off clouds and stuff like that, like a real sunset. Within the orange, I can put some more red or some yellow, but it's still going to be mostly orange in that section, just like it was mostly red in the red section. Remember, continue making little marks. I'm going to continue this through the yellow. The yellow section will be little marks of yellow with little bits of orange and a tiny bit of red even maybe mixed in, but always little marks. I'm going to keep going with my warm colors, red, orange, and yellow, until the whole top of my paper is filled in with my sunset. Once I'm done with the warm colors for the sunset, I'm going to make the lake or ocean or whatever it is. I'm going to start with cool colors. Again, I'm making tiny marks. We're not painting it in smooth. In the green section, it's okay to mix in tiny marks of the blue. And in the blue section, it's okay to mix tiny marks of the purple or even the green. You could even put a little bit of purple inside the green. Just remember, you're using cool colors this time, not warm colors. Continue making tiny marks until the entire bottom of the paper is filled with the cool colors, moving slowly from green to blue to purple sections.